Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to be creating my wellness spread for the week of March 4th through the 10th. And yes, this is an outdated planner that we have to redate. So we're going to do that first. I'm going to go ahead and use my trusty Tambo correction tape. And we're going to go ahead and place new dates over this. So today I'm going to be using the LTL Print House stickers, their new spring collection. It is absolutely lovely. It is so springy and beautiful and pastel-y. It's perfect for Easter. It's perfect for any spring. So I'm gonna go ahead and create something different in my wellness. I'm gonna move the little things I track to the bottom this time. So let's see how that works for me. I thought that would be kind of a nice break and a different scene here. So I am part of the PR group or creative group for LTL Print House. So you guys get a discount code of 15%. It is Kasha15 if you want this. I am probably going to be purchasing more of this because look how cute. I mean, come on, look at these. They're amazing. In general, all of their stickers always impress me. They're hand-drawn by one of them, by Lamb, and she is just so creative. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and redate it. I don't have pastels in here, so I'm just going to use green to kind of bring a little bit of that green into the spread as it is florals. So 4 through 10, I'm going to pull that out. I was thinking yellow, but I think I'm going to go with green. Okay, so just redating this really quickly. Obviously, the redate stickers are from Mojo Jojo. No surprise there. She's the queen of functionality here. I do want to use one of those bigger boxes too, so we'll do that in a second. Sometimes I like to put the ingredients that I need in here, like for snacks and stuff. And of course, for that, I'm just using a yellow. This one is Ohohu, so it's different than my normal Zig pen. I'm not sure why I grabbed that one, but I did. So there we go. So on the top, I'm going to have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. On the bottom, I'm going to have meds and sleep and mood and steps. I do want a quote in here because I think it will look so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's grab this. I think Here Comes the Sun is a good one. Plus, I love that song so much. So every time I'm going to be humming or singing it when I'm in this planner now. So yeah. Okay, I want to cut this so it's straight in the box only and nowhere else. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. That should be fairly quick and easy. And that bigger piece on the right side, I'm going to go ahead and reuse it. So I don't like to waste my precious, beautiful stickers because I love these. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Okay, so let's go ahead and put those flowers on the other side. I think they'll look really good, but look how pretty and pastel-y they are. Like, they fit so perfectly. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and cut this and add some of this in here. I'm going to cut a bigger piece for the other side too. And kind of frame this whole Hello Spring. This is going to be such a quick and easy spread, but it's going to be gorgeous, you guys, because I love doing stuff like this. I think it's going to be beautiful. But let me know what you think, because like I said, I know sometimes I do things a little bit differently. Okay, I'm going to add these little things, little daisies in here. I think they're so beautiful. So I'm just cutting out the center so the stems are not empty. And I'm going to add that one. like that. So cute. And then I have another one, and I'm gonna add that to the left side of the spread, like so. I'm gonna do it upside down. And then all I need is, I think, something on the 10th, because that box looks a little empty. So what I'm gonna do is cut, like freehand one of those flowers off and kind of stick it in here. Let's see how that goes. I think it should be pretty good. Oh no, I want it lower. Okay, that's good. And then something in the corner, and that's it. And I'm gonna pop this back into my planner, and hopefully it looks good in there too. So let me put this in, pop it back in, and see how it looks. You guys let me know what you think. I am loving this. Obviously, use my code if you purchase from them. I would really appreciate it. Just lets them know you came from me. And I'm so thankful you spent some time with me today. Thanks for watching. Bye.